Okay, get up, girls, get up. Okay, we are just gonna warm up a little bit, okay? So we will start by doing jogging, okay? So just do like this and lift your legs up. Lift your legs up. Come on. Spread your legs. Spread your legs. Havisha, spread your legs. Get up. Spread your legs. And with the right hand, try to touch the left foot. Show me side face. Show me your hand face. Yes. Hold your arms up. And now try to touch the floor. Okay? Touch the floor. Don't bend your knees. Touch the floor. Get up again. Okay. Try to touch it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Okay, so everybody take your right and your left hand is here, okay? Like right hand is in front of your body and left hand is behind your body. Okay? And you will do the dipping. Okay, let's first do the legs. Our left foot is in front of our right foot. Everybody get up and do that. Left foot in front of the right foot. And your weight is on the right foot. You are standing on the right foot. So we will do this. Okay? And with that, your left hand goes back, right hand comes in front. Okay? So you do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? First you go right hand in front, then you go left hand in front. Okay? Now our left hand is on our left shoulder and right one is here. So we will take the right hand and we will do 1, 2. Okay? And what with that, what will happen is we are dipping like this, right? Our left foot is forward and right is behind, and we are dipping. So our right foot will go this side. So we will do 1, 2. We will throw our leg. You understand? And with that, our hand will also be like 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So we're going to simplify this, okay? Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it in your place only. Don't move. 5, 6. Okay? 7, 8, 9. So how are we going? 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll be like Mera Jhumka. You're wearing a jhumka, right? So you do Mera Jhumka. 1, 2. Mera jhumka utha ke laya. Jhumka, jhumka. Yaar ve. Yaar ve. Now you have to jump. Okay? Take your two hands like this, like you're dropping something. Okay? So you take both these hands and you do 1, 2. 2 jumps. Clap. Do like this. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Keep it on both the sides. Now pick this arm up. 1, 2. 2 more thumkas. Okay? Thumkas. Yes. So what is it? Mera jhumka utha ke laya. यार वे जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में. ओके? मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में. So how do you do a thumka? Do like this, right? So you will jump and put your hands like this. मैं तो thumka. Okay? Then your this arm, मतलब Right arm will come here. Okay, and you will jump this side, the opposite side. Laga ke शर्मा गई. 1, 2, you're shy. 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 3, 4. Okay, come on. 5, 6, 7, start. मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई. Okay, and then you're going to point finger. Take your right arm and you're going to point the finger to your right leg. But I'm wearing a ghunghar, so you're going to point. Wait, let me show you. So you will do ghunghar bata de ke mein. How will you do that? You're doing 1, 2, right? You will take your left leg out and stretch your right leg, and with that you will point your ankle. 5, 6, 7, start. मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे, जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में, मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई, बोले घूम घर बता दे के मैं आ गई. Okay, now take your right arm and right leg also. मुझको, come in front. हाँ, मुझको नचा के. Don't run, do it gracefully. You cross your leg, you cross your right leg and come in front. Okay, cross it and come. Again cross it and come. Okay, nach le. Just open arms. Okay, open arms. So it's like 5, 6, 7 start. मुझको नचा के नच ले. आजा. Okay. 1. Point your right leg. Point it. Okay. So we are like मुझको नचा के नच ले. आजा. आजा. नच ले. नच ले. Okay. मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे, जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में, मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई, वो बोले घूम घर बता दे के मैं आ गई, मुझको नचा के नच ले, के आजा नच ले. मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे, जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में, मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई, बोली घूम कर बता दे के मैं आ गई, मुझको नचा के नच ले, आजा नच ले मेरी यार तू नच ले, झनक झनक झनका. This one is tough now. This one is tough now. मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे, जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में, मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई, बोली कर बता दे के मैं आ गई, मुझको नचा के नच ले, आजा नच ले मेरी यार तू नच ले, झनक झनक. Okay, fun? Yes, very good. Don't jump so much. Jump, jump back. Jump, jump back. Straight. Okay? आजा नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले झनक झनक झनकार oh okay weight on left leg stretch your right leg so you do 1 2 1 2 again this jump remember this jump same way 1 2 yes but the hands will be like 1 2 1 2 so it's like 5 6 7 star झनक झनक झनकार ओ नच ले मेरे झनक झनक झनकार ओ नच ले मेरे is that okay हाँ again same thing but from this side you will do you did this now you will do this from this side नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले this side 1 2 3 4 अब तो लुटा है बाजार I'm showing this obviously it's very confusing I'm showing this how to do this keep your hands keep your legs like keep your right leg and keep the left leg as a toe okay toe toe okay and your legs will be like 1 2 3 4 कमर shoulder up okay अब तो लुटा है बा then your legs will be like the leg which is in front that will go 1 2 1 2 okay so your legs are moving up like this and your arms are straight you just do 1 2 straighten your arms your arms will go 1 see 1 2 1 2 no straighten them like keep it as big as you can and do 1 2 1 2 1 2 with the legs okay so you'll be like 1 2 1 2 1 2 6 7 we have a long way to go okay 5 6 7 start from aja नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले झनक झनक झनकार ओ नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लुटा है बाजार मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई बोले घूंघर बता दे कि मैं आ गई मुझको बता के नच ले कि आजा नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले झनक झनक झनकार ओ नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लुटा है बाजार ओके नाउ वी विल डू मुझको बुला के just you're calling someone come out first you put the right leg okay right leg lie down so you're like 1 2 you take a turn just a turn a simple elegant turn 1 2. Cross your leg first. Turn. And this is a pose from Kathak, which you have to hold. Say 1. Yes. Nachle.
मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे जोगीदार का बरेली के बाजार में मैं तो झुमका लगा के शर्मा गई बोली घूमकर बजाने के मैं आ गई मुझको नचा के नाच ले आजा नाच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले झनक झनक झनका नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लौटा है बाजार सबको बुला के नच ले आजा नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले झनक झनक.
One more time.
मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे जोगीदार का बरेली के बाजार में मैं तो झुमका लगा के शर्मा गई बोली घूमकर बजाने के मैं आ गई मुझको नचा के नाच ले आजा नाच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले झनक झनक झनका नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लौटा है बाजार सबको बुला के नच ले आजा नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले झनक.
Okay.